some indoor plants, some flowers, and some vegetables for our fall and winter garden. We're here at Green Thumb and look for like some fall vegetables. Red hibiscus. Oh, look at all the birds. Jan, you want to look for flowers or no?
Yeah, go on cart. Ayan o yung mga pang hangin.
This one? I got this last time for the patio. I thought you were going to get the cart. I built it this one too. Those like that one.
This one, right?
Yeah. You want to get this for the like when I assemble that thing.
Okay.
I think these are beautiful. This one has flowers. No? What do you think? Indoor. Beautiful too. Now we're checking the... Yeah, if you're buying the stuff, then we need soil.
Light jacket.
Vinca. We can get this for the front yard. Vinca. Zinnias. But we're here for the vegetables. I'm going to check if they have new vegetables. Is that what is that the oh, this is the salad oil.
Pero pwede nating i-mix GNB.
Watermelon. It's too late for the watermelon.
Compost and soil.
Yeah. Too late for the watermelon. Too early for the green leafy vegetables. Arugula.
Yeah, I like arugula. And butterscotch, we always buy that.
Saan kaya yan?
Ang ganda, pati yung pepper sa loob.
You don't check your peppers. Our peppers are really nice.
Ito na, later.
You want to start on this one?
Yan, snow peas.
Snow peas.
Ay, yan ba yung
This we can try.
flat ba
We can
yan?
try.
O ano, yung snap peas, if they have. Yeah, you can get that. But I like
I think these are
sugar
snow
snap.
peas. These are like sugar snap peas.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Shopping for plants.
For our fall and winter season.
Cocomelon na. Anyone yellow? Not yellow. Saan?
Here, either these two.
I think naman to. Ito, mukhang mas maglago na.
Yeah.
Lemongrass.
Happy shopping at Green Thumb Nursery.
Then there's an orange here too. There's an orange here. Oh, but they're only ones. Okay. We done shopping. Need to get the pots too. Maybe it's here. I like that one. Look, the fish.
Look at you. Elevated my stand.
Oh, for cactus, I think, right? This one. Oh, the trellis.
Is it this one?
Huh? Oh yeah, this one. Is this one? I need to get some seeds. I want so this is the store. Inside of the store I have some hardware like stuff too, like sprinklers, plumbing, electrical, paint, a lot of stuff. But anyway, I'm here to get watermelon radish. That's what I want. which I couldn't seem to find right now. Watermelon radish. Not here. Let's look on the other side. No, it's not this one. Cute carrots. I couldn't find watermelon radish. Mini purple. Cute. Daikon radish. I probably did this one. And here's our shopping haul. The soil are all here. There are a lot of different soil. Here's our plant haul from the nursery earlier. Some indoor plants, some flowers, and some vegetables for our fall and winter garden. Hi Josh, which one is your most favorite, Josh?
This one.
This one. This one is, can you check?
That one is the Archangel.
Archangel. We are going to plant the flowering plants in the front yard. I love this one. What is this, Josh?
That one is a conga.
A conga.
Pink.
Oh, this one is an indoor, more of an indoor plant. I'm going to put this in the patio. What is this, Josh?
Cassandra.
Cassandra. This is a little expensive. It's $16.99. This one is my favorite.
It is called the Burgundy.
The burgundy. We got two of this. This is perennial. Look at how pretty. And then what else? This one is the same as the purple one.
It's Archangel Cherry Red.
This one is, it was left outside earlier, so it's a little like dry right now.
That one is a
Perennial,
Galadria.
Galardia. It's perennial
Galardia.
and it's for pollinate. It attracts pollinators. And then what else?
To me, that kind of looks like a sunflower.
Which one?
The Galadria.
It looks like.
It's a sunflower.
Oh yeah, look at that. And then we have the zinnias. These are the zinnias.
They look like daisies.
Oh yeah. And this one too. Which one is your most favorite? I love the.
My most favorite is
Which
the
color?
Archangel Blue bicolor.
Oh, how about the zinnia? Which one is your favorite color?
What?
There are mosquitoes. Oh, and mosquitoes no. Anyway,
Anyway.
mosquitoes. You need to go
Can I go
inside.
inside?
Yeah, go inside.
Alright, I don't want to get stung because I don't want to get. I don't want them to shut my door.
Yeah, close the screen door to make sure that they don't go inside. Anyway, I'll finish.
3, 2, 1.
I
Mom,
don't know what a
count
lot of
it.
mosquitoes.
Mom,
1, 2, 3. And this is these are beets, the beets mix. So it has kyoja and then golden beets, so different colors of beets like this. And then what else? We got cilantro. Cilantro is a cold loving plant. French thyme. French thyme did not survive the summer. And then we have here sugar snap peas. What else? I think that's it. Oh, and then there are mosquitoes. Lemongrass. I need to go inside. There are mosquitoes. I leave this here.